How to transfer money from Metrobank to GCash. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now the first thing that you want to do is to simply open up your Metrobank application right here. And once inside, you can then go ahead and click on the My Accounts button. From there, this pop-up menu will show up where you simply have to click on the Transfer to Other Bank button. From there, it will take you to this page where you can then go ahead and select the InstaPay and the Peso Net. Now, each one of this process right here has its pros and cons, so you can just go ahead and select what type of process you want to go ahead and continue with. From there, you simply want to click on the one-time transfer. It will then take us to this page where we simply have to enter the bank number or account number or our GCash number, and from there you have your beneficiary, first name, middle name, last name, and some important details to your bank right here. From there, click on send and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.